Are you wearing your midi and maxi dresses all wrong? Well, if you're a woman of a certain age, you might be making these 10 common mistakes that I'm going to talk about today, and with the fixes also that I'll show you to bring you up from drab to fab. And let's just get started with this with mistakes number 1, 2, and 3. Now, at first glance, you may think that this maxi dress is hopeless to make into anything stylish. But watch how I can fix a few of the mistakes, starting with mistake number 1, the armholes. These are just too big, and even with the right Warner's bra, it's still too floppy and frumpy underneath the arms. Carefully pin the top of the dress to your desired width, and then take that dress to the dry cleaners for tailoring, or simply do it yourself. Next, as mistake number 2, this dress needs better shoes. The ugly orthotic style ruins a dress like this. Look into better, more stylish shoes for your foot problems, like these comfy wedgies for just $35 on sale last time I checked. And you can also put your orthotic insoles inside if you wanted to. As mistake number 3, this dress is shapeless. So adding a stretchy belt like this one for $20 gives it more shape and style. And why not even add a blazer, for the cooler evenings or the inside events that you pick a color from the dress itself, like I did here. And by the way, this jacket is by CC Bell, and it's just $50 and available in 27 colors. Now, I've definitely brought this drab dress up to fab with just a few tweaks. And of course, if you're looking for that dress that I just modeled, or the shoes, or the jacket, you can find them under the video description and also in the first comment, and that goes for all the rest of the dresses and accessories I'm going to be showing you. Oh, and of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you are going to find all my favorite dresses and some of the shorter ones too, plus all my sandals and shoes and other accessories. But for now, let's get on to mistake number 4 and 5. Here I have a lovely, easy breezy dress that has a perfect sleeve detail to cover part of my arms. And this dress is just $45 and available in 24 colors and patterns. I love the style of this dress so much, I have 3 different versions of it. Here's where you might be making a mistake. The open slit is a little high, and it might be uncomfortable for you to wear. So just tack it up a bit and you'll feel a lot better. Another mistake with wearing this dress, or many others with bare legs, is the chafing. Don't wear regular undies. Wear something like these cotton dress shorts that come in 4 colors and just $28. And by the way, if you keep that slit higher, when the dress flies up because of maybe some wind, all the people will see are your dress shorts. And here's a closer look at those shorts that really will help prevent the chafing on your legs. They're 95% cotton, as I said, and 5% spandex, and they have a really nice elastic waistband. They usually come in colors of 4, or I think you can get them in all black as well, but they are just a great addition to my wardrobe when I'm wearing any kind of dress, actually. Oh, and don't forget, when you're ordering a dress, look at the size chart, because a lot of times, you think you're going to order a medium. It's not a medium across the board. And the most important part is to check out your own bust size against the chart for the dress. That's really, really important. Sizing and style are so important when you are thinking about getting a dress. So let's look at mistake number 6 and 7. This is a perfect example of mistake number 6, and that's hiding under a dress that's much too big for you. Sure, you might think this dress hides your belly, but it's actually making you look heavier than you actually are. Now, you could still save some of those oversized dresses by adding a stretchy belt like this one for $12, but mistake number 7 to me is the shirt dress style. It just looks off at the hem and not flattering at all. Now, I did buy another denim dress to replace this one for just $50, but it does have a shorter hemline. But this is a dress that I feel that a lot of us can still wear and look stylish. And if you like styling videos like these, made by a former model and a woman who loves fashion, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. Oh, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you probably won't see my newest videos. But for now, we're on mistake number 8 and number 9. You've been invited to a wedding or an outdoor event and you found this unusual dress that you think is a head turner. Well, be careful about some of the designs out there, as mistake number 8. This dress kind of reminds me of something Morticia Addams would wear at the Addams Family, and the sleeves are made of chiffon, and you really have to make sure that you don't get these sleeves into your meal and don't go near an open flame or someone who's smoking. I think that this beautiful lacy dress is a head turner, and it's only $60. It's perfect for weddings and other events, and it comes in 10 other colors. But at this point, I want to mention other hazards when wearing a maxi dress as mistake number 9. Don't forget to lift your dress both front and back when going up and down stairs or taking the escalator. We've all seen the women who trip on the dress getting up for an Academy Award, and lifting up our dress will help prevent a nasty fall. And of course, as usual, stay until the end of this video where I'll have another inspirational message for you. And this one's about getting dressed up again. And talking about getting dressed up, I would really like to convince you to wear dresses more often. And you know, if you're going to a fancy event, maybe just not wear the pantsuit or the pants. Wearing a dress is not just for the young, it's for us who are young at heart. And I'm not saying, you know, wear a really micro mini dress, not at all. But some of the good dresses that I showed today are absolutely timeless and ageless for anybody. And if you've been wearing pants and pantsuits to special occasions, especially in the hot weather, I really hope I can convince you to try a midi or a maxi dress. And you know, you don't have to just wear them for special occasions anymore. You can certainly wear them casually, you know, to a festival or maybe a concert, something along those lines. And no, you don't have to wear your 6-inch heels either. You could wear a pair of sneakers, and it's just, this is what I love to do. And I would love to know in the comments also how you love to wear your dresses, and if you've really bought into the easy breezy look. There are many reasons why I love wearing a midi or a maxi dress. The most important reason is that I feel feminine. I feel pretty in a dress. And that's something, you know, that a pantsuit or, you know, even a pair of jeans or something along those lines just won't do for me. I see women in their 90s at weddings, and they are rocking a dress. You know, they also have a little bit of makeup on, their lipstick on, and their favorite jewelry. And I know they just feel good inside. And so I know I've done a lot of videos on dresses, but I hope this one maybe just sort of entices you a little bit more to go out and get yourself a nice, easy, breezy dress. And for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.